So again, good morning class. So we will be discussing, so our subject is BAFAM 6443, which is personal finance. And we will be discussing the topic for week 13, which is personal risks management. Shall we begin? Okay, so let me just give you some objectives. At the end of this session, you will be able to, number one, understand what is personal risk management and why is there a need for it. Number two, identify the different kinds of personal risk management. And number three, understand the coverage, benefits, and costs of each personal risk management. For this session, we'll be talking of two types of insurances. Number one is property, and the second one is personal. So in terms of property, dalawa lang yon. Home insurance at car insurance. But for personal insurance, medyo marami siyang kinds. There is health insurance and there is income assurance. So income insurance can be in the form of disability or life insurance. Without further ado, life is full of risk. Do you agree? So, sa ating pamumuhay, there's always risks. So, risks are brought about by accidents or unforeseen events. For example, naglalakad ka lang dyan tatawid ka sa karsada, hindi mo nakita, meron paparating na sasakyan, nabundol, aksidente, o kunyari, bumababa ka lang ng hagdanan, nadulas, hinahulog, nabali ang balakang, accident, or unforeseen events. So there are risks in life. So we can try to avoid them or reduce their likelihood. So avoidance and reduction. So avoid, let's say for instance, huwag basta-basta tatawid ng kalsada, di ba? Kailangan tumawid ka dun sa may zebra lane, sa pedestrian lane. Or reduce their likelihood. Kung hindi man may iwasan kang tumawid, i-reduce mo na lang yung likelihood na masagasaan ka. Tingin ka sa kaliwa, tingin sa kanan. Correct? However, we cannot eliminate them. So there is always an accident that will be happening in unforeseen events. Ngayon, you can pay someone to share them. So that is the idea behind insurance. Babayad ka na lang to assume the risk. Pure risks are insurable because their probabilities can be calculated precisely enough for the risk to be quantified, which means it can be priced, bought, and sold. So we will understand later on as we proceed with our discussion, ano ba itong sinasabi na ito na risks are insurable. Risk shifting. We shift the risk. So it is the process of selling risk to someone who then assumes the risk and its consequence. So binibenta mo yung risk mo for a particular insurance company who will assume. So ang tawag dito, risk shifting. So tandaan itong mga terminologies para magkaintindihan tayo. But you would ask, why would someone buy your risk? Because in a large enough market, your risk can be diversified, which minimizes its cost. Now, insurance can be purchased for your property, your home, your health, employment, and your life. So in each of these cases, iwi-weigh mo, ano ba ang cost of consequence of a risk that may never actually happen against the cost of insuring against it. So meron kang cost-benefit. So magbabayad ka ng insurance, pero ano ang kapalit? Deciding what and how to insure is really a process of deciding what the cost of loss would be and how willing you are to pay to get rid of those risks. So, ba't mo ba ipapa-insure yung bahay mo? For example, nasunugan ka. So, pwede ka hindi masunugan, pero pwede ka masunugan. So, willing to pay ka ba na just in case masunog ang bahay mo, pwede mapalitan. Yun. So, you compute for the magkano ba yung premium at yung consequence kapag nangyari yung hindi inaasahang aksidente or unforeseen event. The cost of insurance can also be lowered through risk avoidance or reduction strategies. Sabi ko naman earlier, pwede namang mababa lang ang ating premium kung we avoid the risk or we reduce the risk. For example, installing an alarm system in your home may reduce homeowners' insurance premium because that reduces the risk of theft. Of course, installing an alarm system has a cost too. So kung meron kang alarm system, kapag pinasok, binuksan ng bintana, mag-a-alarm. So it reduces the premium for risk of theft. Risk management. It is the strategic trade-off of the cost of reducing, assuming, and shifting risk. So this is our topic for today, risk management. How do we manage risks? So, by insurance, di ba? We begin by property insurance. Ano ba ang property insurance? So, property insurance, sabi dito, is ownership insurance. Ini-insure mo yung ownership. It ensures that the rights of ownership conferred upon you when you purchase your property will remain intact. So, nung binili mo yan, dapat it will remain as is nung binili mo yan. Kung ito man ay lupa, kung ito man ay bahay at lupa, ay i-insure mo yan na yan ay magiging the same as is. It will remain intact. Now, typically, property insurance covers loss of use from either damage or theft. Kunyari, yung sasakyan mo, nawala, nanakaw, o dapat insured ka. Kasi yung insurance mo, it covers loss of use, loss of value, or the cost of replacement, and liability for any use of the property that causes damage to others or other property. For most people, insurable properties are covered by insuring two kinds of property. So, dalawang property yan, isang car at home. So, we begin by discussing home insurance coverage. Ano ba kino-cover ng insurance? Bakit ba tayo nagpapa-insure? Number one, pinapa-insure natin yung structure ng bahay natin. So, structure, yung ating walls, yung bubong, lahat yan, structure. So, kapag may nasira, ipapa-rebuild or repair if it is damaged or destroyed by fire, hurricane, hail, lightning, or other disasters. So, yung structure of your home. For example, yung kapitbahay nyo, titibag ng tawag dito, ng puno. Yung puno, biglang pumunta sa bahay nyo, sa bubong nyo, nasira yung bubong. Kailangan covered yung inyong bahay. So, hindi lang yung structure ng home nyo ang ini-insure nyo. Siyempre, number two, yung personal belongings. Ano ba itong personal belongings? Ito yung mga furniture, clothes, sports equipment, and other personal items covered if they are stolen or destroyed by fire, hurricane, or other insured disasters. Ano-ano ba itong mga personal belongings na to? Yung mamahalin ko, kunyari, antique na yung furniture. Mamahalin yan, ipa-insure yan. Yung mga jewelry, mamahalin yan. Kunyari, may sunog, hindi natunaw lahat yan. O sinawala ng value. So, ipapa-insure natin yan. So, kasama yan sa home insurance. Structure of your home, personal belongings. Number three, liability protection. Anong isabi ng liability protection? It covers you against lawsuits for bodily injury or property damage that you or your family members cause to other people. For example, ikaw naman yung tatabas ng puno nyo. Yung puno nyo naman ay nahulog doon sa kabilang bahay. Ay syempre, you have to replace the damage. You have to assume the damage. Or kung idemanda ka, merong injure. So, ipapaano mo yun? Ipapa-medical, ipapa-hospital, and everything. Home insurance covers that liability protection. And number four, additional living expenses. For example, binaha, nasunog, na earthquake, lumubog ang bahay, kunyari nasa tabi ng cliff, bumuho ang bahay, so wala kayong titirhan. So paano yun? additional living expenses can be covered also by home insurance. Ito yung additional cost of living away from home if you cannot live there due to damage from an uninsured disaster. So ito yung, for example, kailangan nyo mag-hotel. Sinong babayad ng hotel? Ayan, yung insurance. Kailangan nyo kumain ng 3 times a day doon sa hotel. Sinong babayad nun? Ito pa rin home insurance coverage. So apat yan. Tandaan natin na structure ng home, personal belongings, liability protection, and additional living expenses. Kuha ba? If you want, you can take down notes. Proceed. So ano ba ang benefit natin kung naka-insure? Yan. Dalawang benefit. The benefits are specified as either actual cash value or replacement cost. So it's either papipili ka, ano pa gusto yung insurance? You want an actual cash value or you want the replacement cost? Ano ba ito? Pag sinabi natin actual cash value, it tries to estimate the actual market value of the item at the time of loss. So it accounts for the original cost less any depreciation that has occurred. Kung nabili mo ng 3 milyon yung bahay 10 years ago, ay hindi na yung 10 million ngayon. Merong depreciation na sinatawag. O yung mamahalin mong mga muebles, yung furniture, nagde-depreciate yan. Kahit yung lahat ng personal belongings mo nagde-depreciate. Yung sports equipment mo, meron ka sariling gym. Lahat ng nandun, nagde-depreciate. So pag sinabi actual cash value, hindi yun yung cost price. Yun yung original cost less any depreciation. Yun yung actual cash value. Yung isa naman na benefit mo ay yung replacement cost. It is the cost of replacing the item. So ano kaya mas maganda? Actual cash value or replacement cost value? For most items, the actual cash value is less because it is almost always less than the replacement value because prices generally rise over time and because items generally depreciate rather than appreciate in value. So mas tingin ko, mas maganda yung replacement cost. Kasi it doesn't matter as long as wala ka nang poproblemahin. Matatayo uli yung bahay mo, mare-replace yung mga furniture, mare-replace lahat ng mga chandelier, kung meron ka mga ano dyan, lahat ng gas range, ref, and everything. Mare-replace siya. Okay? So for example, meron dito na home insurance example from AXA Life. So sabi rito, coverage nila fire and lightning, sunog at saka yung tamaan ng kidlat, typhoon and flood, earthquake, fire and shock, riot, strike and malicious damage, smoke damage, vehicle impact, merong biglang bumangga dun sa wall ninyo na lasing na driver, nagda-drive ng sasakyan. O kasama yung vehicle impact. Falling aircraft. Ako, pag malas-malas sa inyo bumagsak yung eroplano, kasama yung sa insurance. Explosion. Ayan. Sample quote, for a premium of 1,200 pesos, your property can be insured for 1 million pesos. This is just a sample rough estimate. So, 1,200 pesos lang. So, you can be insured of 1 million pesos. So, okay na. Kung 5 million ang gusto mong 1,2, hindi 6,000 for the entire year. Per year yan, per year. Let us proceed. So, number 1 is home. Number 2 is car insurance. If you own a car and you drive that car, you must have car insurance. Your car accident may affect not only you and your car, but also the health and property of others. Kabangga ka, it could be property, bumangga ka doon sa tinatawag nila sa EDSA ngayon ng mga bari. So, kailangan mong yun, palitan yun, bayaran yun. So, your car insurance will pay for that. Nakabundol ka. So, syempre, hospital yun. Babayaran mo yun. So, the health and property of others. Syempre, kasama ikaw. Kunyari pagbangga, na-injure ka, kasama ka sa babayaran. At saka yung car, papagawa mo yun or ipapareplace. Depende sa insurance ng iyong automobile. A car accident often involves a second party, and so legal and financial responsibility must be assigned and covered by both parties. So ano ba ang kasama sa car insurance? So isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat. So yung una, bodily injury liability. Ano ito? Refers to the financial losses of people in the other car that are injured in an accident na ikaw ang may kasalanan. So, kasama rito, papagamot mo sila, medical expenses, kung papunta sila sa trabaho, nagtatrabaho, loss of income, babayaran mo yung per day nila na nawalan sila ng trabaho. And syempre, your legal fees. Magkakademandahan, ito yon. So, bodily injury liability. So, ibang tao to. Injuries to people in your car or to yourself are covered by medical payments coverage. Number two, uninsured motorist protection. So, ikaw naman ito. It covers your injuries if the accident is caused by someone na walang insufficient insurance or by an unidentified driver. So, na hit and run ka. Merong bumangga sa yung pwedeng truck, pwedeng another kotse, pero tinakbuhan ka. So hindi mo wala kang ngayong i mapag-a-assume ng bayad sa iyo, medical mo and everything pagpapagawa ng sasakyan. So kung meron kang car insurance na kasama ang uninsured motorist protection, you are also covered. So kahit tinakbuhan ka, meron ka makukuha because you paid for the premium. Third is property damage liability. It covers the cost to other people's property from damage that you cause, while collision covers the cost of damage to your own property. Collision coverage is limited to the market value of the car at the time. So for example, ikaw tong bumangga. Binangga mo kapwa sasakyan. O siyempre, papagawa mo yung sasakyan. So kunyari, lasing ka naman, medyo, sabi mo, nawala ng brake, ganyan, bumangga ka sa pader nung kapitbahay nyo, property damage, ikaw ang papagawa nun. Kung may insurance ka, ayun, bahala sila. Kasi, di ba sabi natin, we are selling the insurance for someone who would assume the risk. So nagbayad ka ng premium, bahala sila sa consequence ng risk. And last but not the least is comprehensive physical damage. It covers your losses from anything other than a collision. So, kung hindi siya collision, lahat ng iba pang klase. Kunyari, nanakawan ka, kunyari, pumarada ka dyan sa VMAPA. I mean, dito sa VMAPA sa Maynila, nilulubog to eh. So, biglang umulan, binaha, lumubog ang sasakyan mo. Siyempre, kinabahan pa yun. Papagawa mo yun, weather damage, acts of nature, or hitting an animal. Ayan. So, bodily injury liability, third party. Uninsured motorist protection para sa iyo kung walang insurance yung nakabangga sa'yo. Property damage liability, syempre papagbuha ng kotse or ng property nung binangga mo. And comprehensive physical damage other than a collision. Okay, so, dalawa na yun, ha? Home at saka car. Magkakano ba ang cost? As with any insurance, the cost of having an insurer assume risk is related to the cost of that risk. The cost of auto insurance is related to three factors that create risk. Una, the car, the driver, and the driving environment. So the car, yung kotse mo. So, yung driver and the driving condition. So premium rates may vary. Premium rates vary, so you should always shop around. You can shop through a broker or directly. So there are also online discount auto insurance. They have become increasingly popular in recent years. The rates may be lower, but the same cautions apply as for other high-stakes transactions conducted online. Also, premiums are not the only cost of auto insurance. You should also consider the insurer's reliability in addressing a claim. So nagbayad ka ng insurance, pero hindi mo alam yung palang kumpanyang binayaran mo fly by night, so hindi ka rin makakakuha ng insurance. So they have become increasingly popular in recent years. Okay? You should also consider insurance reliability and driving claim. Chances are you rely on your car to get to school, to work, or for your daily errands or recreational activities. Your car is also a substantial investment. Nag-invest ka dyan sa sasakyan mo. And you may still be paying off debt from financing your car. So maaaring hindi pa bayad yan. Kaya syempre, pag bumili ka ng bagong sasakyan, automatic yun, ini-insure yan ng binilhan mo. Para din, kasi hindi pa sa'yo nakapangalan yan eh. Losing your car to repairs and perhaps being injured yourself is no small inconvenience and can seriously disrupt your life. You want to be working with an insurer who will cooperate in trying to get you and your car back on the road as soon as possible. You can check your insurer's reputation by the record of complaints against it. So, car insurance example. In the Philippines, there is the Philippine Insurers and Reinsurers Associations, which periodically provides updated FMBs to insurance companies. Car owners, however, can get a ballpark figure of their car through buy and sell website. Okay, as per the insurer, I see here is the list of the schedule of rates for comprehensive auto insurance in the country. Own damage and theft is 1.25 to 3.75% of the car. Theft, only 1%. Fire, only 0.5%. For vehicles used for racing, pacemaking, reliability trial, or speed testing, additional 20% will be added on the rate. Auto personal accident, 50,000 each. Non-life insurance taxes, 12% value added tax. So, maraming computations pagkuha ng car insurance. Okay, so income insurance in the form of disability and life. Let us first discuss disability. Disability insurance is designed to ensure your income should you survive an injury or illness impaired. The definition of disability is a variable feature of most policies. Iba-iba pag sinabing disability. Some define it as being unable to pursue your regular work, while others define it more narrowly as being unable to pursue any work. Some plans pay partial benefits if you return to work part-time, and some do not. As always, you should understand the limits of your plan's coverage. Life insurance, on the other hand, is a way of ensuring that your income will continue after your death. If you have a spouse, children, parents, or siblings who are dependent on your income or care, your death would create new financial burdens for them. Now, to avoid that, you can insure your dependents against your loss, at least financially. Your goals for your life insurance will determine how much benefit you need and what kind of policy you need. Weigh against that are its costs, the amount of premium that you pay, and how that fits into your current budget. So again, we have to consider the cost of the premium and the benefit that will arise on the consequences if the inevitable happens. Life insurance example. Again, let us go to one Sun Life. So let me just new share income protection here. Can you see now Sun Life? Okay, Sun Life. It says here, protect your future from life's uncertainties. Our uncertainties. So it's from life's risks. Preparing for unexpected is an important step that you should take to secure your family's future. Now, sa life insurance plans, meron tatlong klase. Sun Startup, Sun Safer Life, or Sun Smarter Life Classic. So let's just check Sun Start. So, affordable life insurance plan, money back guarantee feature. So, ano ba ang kasama? Get a life insurance plan that protects you for 10 years. With an amount that's easy on the pocket, you can ensure your loved one's future and ensure they can still fulfill the dreams you have planned together. You may also add a supplementary benefit or rider to provide additional protection. Money back feature. So, since we already have 10 more minutes, let us proceed with our okay. For the last 10 minutes, let us make a review. Please unmute your mic. Anybody who would like to answer? Blank are brought about by accidents or unforeseen events. Anybody?
Please.
Sir,
Yes?
life is full of risk.
So the answer is risk. Correct.
Risk.
Very good. Next. The idea of paying someone to share your risk is called what? The idea of paying someone to share your risk is
Insurance.
very good, Kariel. Insurance. The idea of paying someone to share your risk. Next. Blank is the process of selling risk to someone who then assumes the risk and its consequences. Ano tong proseso
Risk
nito?
shifting.
Ano na?
Risk shifting. Risk
Very
shifting,
good.
sir.
Rosalie, ikaw ba yun or si Sandra?
Sandra, sir.
Sandra, very good. Risk shifting. Very good. I like this class. Nakikinig. Next, the cost of insurance can also be lowered through risk or blank strategy. Dalawa yun para ma-lower. To lower the...
Avoidance and reduction.
Very good. Una ay
Avoidance.
avoidance
Avoidance
Avoidance.
and
and reduction.
very good. Avoidance
Reduction.
reduction. If we avoid accident, if we reduce it, then very good. Next, blank is the strategic trade-off of the cost of reducing, assuming, and shifting risk. It is the
Risk management po.
very good. K. Burgeon, very good. Insurable properties are covered by insuring two kinds of property. Ano ito?
Car and home, sir.
Very good, Sandra. Your home and your car.
Car.
Good. Home insurance covers blank, 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 and blank. Ano tong apat na ito?
Structure of
Structure
your home.
of
Personal belongings,
personal
liability
belongings,
protection, additional living
liability
expenses.
protection and
Personal
additional
living
living
expenses.
Very good. Structure of your home, personal belongings,
Personal belongings,
liability protection,
liability protections,
and
additional living expenses.
Additional living allowance.
the benefits of home insurance is specified as either blank or
Actual
blank.
cash value.
Actual cash value and replacement
Replacement cost.
Very good. Actual cash value or replacement cost.
Replacement cost.
Next. Car insurance covers blank, 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 and blank. Car insurance. Nakabangga ka ng
Bodily-
Bodily injury, liabilities,
liabilities,
medical
uninsured,
claims coverage.
forest production, property damage, liability, comprehensive physical damage.
Damage.
Very good.
Damage.
So, apat yun. Bodily injury liability kung nakasagasa ka. Pag ikaw naman nasa
Uninsured
uninsured motorist protection para covered ka. Property damage.
property damage,
Comprehensive
liability,
physical damages.
Comprehensive
comprehensive
physical
physical
damage.
damage.
Basic health insurance covers blank, blank, and blank. Ano kasama sa basic insurance?
Based.
The car, the drivers,
No. Health insurance, wala tayo sa car insurance.
medical,
Hospital insurance. Health maintenance
Ano, mali.
Physician expenses,
Correct,
surgical
physician.
expenses, hospital expenses,
Very good, Emma. Physician, surgery,
surgical, hospital,
hospital expense. So,
hospital
just two
expense.
questions. It is designed to ensure your income should you survive an injury or illness impaired. Aksidente ka, hindi ka namatay. Oh, pero you're insured. Anong tawag dito sa insurance na ito?
disability,
Very good. Disability insurance.
disability insurance,
And last, it is a way of ensuring that your income will continue after your death.
life insurance. Life
Life
insurance.
life
insurance.
insurance.
Yes. Okay, thank you very much. That ends our lecture.